Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making this delicious air fried chicken. Come with me and let's make this delicious chicken wings in the air fryer. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's cook together. Thank you. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our chicken wings, guys, paprika powder or bell pepper powder, garlic powder, white pepper, onion powder, cooking oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, any oil of your choice, and salt to taste. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. So guys, our chicken is washed, clean and well prepared. So I'll go ahead and season my chicken. I'll start by adding my salt. Salt is always to your taste, guys. Not too much salt, but you need quite a lot of salt because we are not adding any artificial cube or spice to this recipe. It's just your natural spice and your salt, guys. So I'll go ahead and mix it really well. You really need to mix it well. We are done with the mixing of the salt. I'll go ahead and add my onion powder. You need a lot of onion for this recipe because the onion powder helps your chicken to be more tasty and more with brings the flavor in your chicken. So I'll go ahead and you need a lot of onion powder for this recipe, guys. Garlic powder, bell pepper powder or paprika powder, and our white pepper. And then we'll mix everything together. You make sure you mix it well for every chicken gets some of the spices on it. You can see every part of the chicken is covered with some seasoning. I'll go ahead and add my oil, guys. This part is very important because it really makes your chicken fry really good in the air fryer or in the oven. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use oven for this process because when you put your oven in the frying section, it does the same work, guys. Trust me, it really does, and you are going to see how I am going to do it. It will turn out really good for you to see. So you don't need to worry if you don't have an air fryer. We are done with the seasoning of our chicken. I'm going to cover it up and leave it in the fridge for 2 hours, or even more, so that it will be well seasoned. Guys, our chicken is well seasoned, so we'll go ahead and put it in our air fryer for frying. Let's go ahead and arrange them in our air fryer, guys. It's ready to go into the oven, guys. Look. Let's check on our chicken. 2 minutes more to go. Guys, look at this. Our delicious air fried chicken wings look so delicious, guys. So it's almost golden brown, but I really want it a little bit more golden brown. So you don't need to fry your wings again. This is the healthiest choice, guys, for your family. Until you continue with time and then give it more time. Maybe 3 minutes plus 2, then 5 minutes more. Guys, this is our air fried chicken wings. Will you try this? Let me know if you are going to try this. But trust me, you can also fry it in your oven on the fine section. It was the same. So guys, give it a try and let me know in the comment below. This looks so yummy, delicious, and it's healthy. Delicious air fried chicken wings is ready. Let's dig in and save. Guys, our delicious air fried chicken wings is ready, and trust me, you can serve this delicious air fried chicken wings on a party, birthdays, any get together of your choice. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy chicken. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. Really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, kiss, adios.